Good morning, everyone. We are the executives of Lifeline Medical Supplies, and our tagline is "Caring is our calling." So for introduction namin, sir, I'm just going to introduce the executives of the company, such as the chairwoman, the chief executive officer, the chief operations officer, the chief financial officer, and lastly, the chief administration officer. Sa last part po, we are going to um, magbibigay lang po kami ng onting background about sa company namin and mission and vision. So our company po is Lifeline Medical Supplies is a company located at Manila, Philippines. Our company is newly established on year 2021. We are the supplier of medical supplies from international countries to the Philippines. Our vision is the best performing company in terms of supplying medical supplies from international to local to be the healthcare company of choice for our service area. Our mission is to serve the Filipino medical workers through giving the best quality of medical supplies, to provide affordable and high quality products for the betterment of Filipino system. So sir, introduce ko lang po yung executives namin. Chairwoman po namin si Claribel Castillo, CEO po
Hello po, sir.
namin CEO po namin si Chantel Denise Santos.
Hello po, sir.
COO po ako, si Jana May Nambatac. Then si Manasel Macalanda is our financial management. Then management po si Andrea Bautista Velasco. Sir, introduce naman po kayo sa amin.
Hi, okay. Thank you, John May. So it's nice meeting you guys. So my name, ako naman, let me introduce myself. My name is Jason Canasa. I'm an assistant unit manager of Pru Life UK. So I started with Pru since 2016. Ayan. Prior joining Pru, I'm a production supervisor for Coca-Cola Imus plant. So by profession, I'm a licensed engineer. But in 2019, I went full time with Pru Life UK, and I started building my own team dito sa Pru Life. So we are the first insurance company to offer VUL, or the variable unit link, the which is an insurance that has investment component. So we introduced that in the market in 2002.
All right. So I am JM Cordero. So one of the financial advisors from Sun Life of Canada, Philippines. Um, what we do, actually we provide, as aligned with the company's profile. Okay, so we provide financial planning for individuals and for companies. So kumbaga, hindi lang, I mean, we talk to um, individual clients as well as to corporate like you guys. Okay, and then I'm also a licensed financial advisor. So kasi before you present or before you um, close a contract for your clients, you need to have a license for that. Okay, and I've been with the business for almost 3 years. Okay, and also I'm with the leading branch of Sun Life in the Philippines. So I'm with Phoenix Palm. All right. So in terms of performance, we are the top one branch nationwide.
Since starting business po kami, ano po bang pwede niyong mai-recommend na or mai-offer sa'min if ang budget is 600,000 per year and with a total of 100 employees?
Um, budget for a year. Well, actually, we can kasi yung specific niyan. So I need to create a proposal for you guys. Okay. So since that this is an initial meeting, so I cannot provide right there and then the exact figures. So it should be black and white. Okay. So it should be in a paper. Including the specific number of your people as well as the benefits, and then what is due in the employers.
No? So most likely pag ganun, either yun siya, group life or mga traditional plans. group life or traditional plans for the employees. Kasi for VUL, medyo on the higher, ano siya, higher price, kumbaga, higher yung premium versus the group life or traditional ones.
In your behalf po, does being financial advisor give you automatically a life insurance po?
As a financial advisor, it is your option to get your own policy. But then again, it is recommended and it's ideal to have one. Kasi, di ba, you're pitching, you're presenting the value of insurance and then wala ka.
Actually, wala. Kumbaga, as agent kasi ni Pru Life, para kaming partner. Technically, hindi kami employee. Hindi kami employee ni Pru. So, wala kami ng mga benefits na, example, no, gaya nung nag-work ako sa Coke. No, parang wala kami ng mga employee benefits. But, no, we can avail. Kumbaga, we can get our own insurance from Pru. Ang mangyayari lang, syempre, yung commission, yung binabayad ko, may commission. So, somehow, para bumabalik a portion of my payment dun sa commission ko. Pero, generally, wala.
Sir, what are the details or document that we need to provide to avail a specific insurance?
Okay. So for a company, it's just the company profile, okay, and then the letter of intent, okay, and then at the same time your company your employees lease and details. So yon. So those are the documents that we need for the group. But for the individual, so when I say individual, it's out of the company coverage. So what you need is just a valid ID, okay? The valid ID and then the signed application form. And this is ano guys ha, this is after all of the financial assessment done. So let's say si client or si company is nag-agree na siya. So yun yung mga requirements. Okay, so for the individual, again, for the individual, it's just the valid ID, valid government ID, the signed application form, and um, kasi we can process it remotely now, given that we are on um, remote, we can process it remotely or online.
Corporate accounts, usually, we will need additional documents, no, from the company. I think, di lang ako masyadong familiar, per to dun sa list, but I can provide you, siguro, a copy na lang of the documents you need when you set up corporate accounts.
If nag-decide po kami na i-cancel yung life insurance po namin, meron po ba siyang fine?
Meron ba siyang fine?
Yes po.
Wala naman. Once you terminate the policy, ang mangyayari lang, terminated na din yung mga benefits. So, wala naman siyang mga penalties or charges.
It's just that maka-cut lang talaga yung benefit ng empleyado. Okay. Yun nga, yung benefit ni employee, as in, maka-cancel lang siya. Kasi sa group plan eh. Diba? Kumbaga, ito na yung sinayin nyo.
What if po if yung employee namin is nag-transfer sa ibang country or nag-ibang branch po siya? Sakop pa rin po ba siya ng insurance?
Ang nagiging setup, no, for actually karamihan naman ng companies, the employee is only covered while working for the company. So once lumipat yan, definitely it will stop. We will stop the coverage. So of course, we have to know that from you. Kumbaga kayo yung nag-notify sa amin. Say for example, ito no, si Andrea is no longer part of the company. So we can arrange para mag-stop na din yung coverage.
So for individual accounts, okay, so as long as yung insured, okay, as long as yung insured is nasa country na hindi siya restricted. Kasi 'di ba may mga countries tayo na restricted lang. For example, if you are in a country na nasa war zone ka, so nade-decline talaga yung insurance. But then again, if the individual is nasa abroad na, tapos wala naman siya dun sa mga restricted area, of course, may maki-claim si family member. Okay? But for the group plan, okay, so it depends sa inyo. It depends sa employer if you will allow that. Okay? But since that your company is Philippine based, parang nag-aano lang kayo, nag-i-import lang kayo ng mga supplies. So, um, okay, what I know is dapat nandito si insured. Dito siya nakatira kasi dito yung work niya sa Philippines. Okay. For the group 'yan.
Good day, executives. We are gathered here today to decide on the life insurance that our future employees will receive.
So, kung ako yung pipiliin ko yung Sun Life kasi yung benefits na nagko-cover ng Sun Life is madami siyang pwedeng i-cover like yung family ko or when I get or when I died eventually or accidentally. And yung kung mag-aan naman ako, mag-retire man ako, may makakuha akong investment sa Sun Life.
Ang pipiliin ko is Sun Life din. Based on the package na sinend ng financial advisor na nakausap natin, makikita kasi din sa package na meron siyang plan na 500. So, it means na merong friendly budget yung plan nila na Sun Life na ina-offer. And sabi nga ni Andrea, meron siyang mga package na may specific na i-cater din, hindi lang sa atin. Pero pwede rin siya sa magiging anak natin or kaya sa asawa natin and sa parents natin. And feeling ko hindi siya mabigat for a group na bayaran kasi mababa lang yung budget niya for a plan.
Bigay ko muna yung mga napansin ko na benefits ng bawat insurance. Baling una sa Sun Life, pwede kang mamili if gusto mong solohin yung insurance or gusto mong isama yung fam mo. The next naman is meron silang mga package, may mga plan sila. So, pwede tayo mamili. Pwede natin siya i-upgrade if ever na mag-boost yung company natin. Next is yung babayaran. Affordable lang siya since 502K compared sa Pru Life na 1.5 to 3K yung babayaran mo. Ang benefit lang, ang lamang lang naman ng Pru Life sa Sun Life is may investment return yung sa Pru Life which is halimbawa yung hinulog mo may makukuha ka doon. Sa Sun Life kasi yung makukuha mo doon sa insurance mo na talaga yon. So, para sa akin, mas okay yung Sun Life.
For me, as what Mona Sel and Andrea said earlier, I'll choose Sun Life kasi first, mayroong package 1 to package 4 which is pwede tayong mamili kung anong package yung gusto natin and yung coverage niya is pwede siyang either your for yourself lang or pwede yung sa family mo. So, for me, I'll choose Sun Life.
Okay, for me, Sun Life din is mas maganda para sa akin since yun nga, meron siyang mga benefits hindi lang for the worker or yung employee but as well as dun sa mga relatives nung employee such as yung kunwari sa package number 1 dun sa group is meron yung sa asawa, meron din sa children. Unlike kasi sa Pru Life, I think mas okay siya yung Sun Life since parang mas pasok siya dun sa budget na binigay natin which is yung 500,040. Tama, di ba? Then dun parang mas budget friendly siya unlike dun sa Pru Life. Yun. So according dun sa interview natin kay Sir Jason, maganda rin naman yung sa offer nila since flexible, di ba? Flexible yung kanila since nakadepende doon sa executives which is tayo kung paano yung magiging kung paano or what kung yung sakop or kung ano yung makukuhang benefits ng mga employees natin. So, we're open for the vote. Ano mas prefer nyo? Sun Life or Pru Life?
I prefer Sun Life.
Prefer Sun Life.
For Sun Life.
I'll go with Sun Life.
Ang pipiliin ko rin is Sun Life as the insurance of our future employees. Okay.